Today, we will see how faucets are made. The process is started with the recycled brass metal. First, the metal is melted by heating at high temperature. Then silica sand is inserted into the mold and put into the oven. Now the silica mold is ready. The molten metal is poured into a mold. The excess material of the metal body is removed with the help of a hammer. Now, the metal body is ready. Then it is sent for threading process. After threading, the metal body is inspected. Then the handle is made by knurling process. The grinding process makes the smooth surface of faucet. After the grinding process, its weight is checked. Here, we can see the metal body. Now, the buffing process is done on it. The metal body is dipped in different chemicals for chrome plating. Here we can see the faucet after chrome plating. Now the springdale and aerators are being installed into the body. Then it is tested by high-pressure water test. After that, the company logo is laser printed on the faucet. Now all the parts of faucet are being assembled. The faucet is cleaned. The faucet is packed in a box and a barcode is applied on the box. Finally, the faucet is ready.